Hey, somebody just sent me a care package. I wonder what this is. What's up, everybody? It's Bishop here for Tactical POV. I've got another product review. I haven't had one in a while because lately I've been getting a lot of emails hitting me up, man, for different products and stuff like that to review on my channel. And let's be honest, I'm not going to do a review on products that I would not carry myself ever. So all my product reviews that you've seen me do so far, I own those, I use those. This company just sent this out to me, man. I reached out to them. I saw, dude, I have seriously been looking for something like this for the field. All right. So, man, shout out to Iron Infidel for this product, man. This is the first time I've seen it. This thing was awesome when they advertised this, and I'm like, oh my God, finally, I've got something, man, an actual tactical type of water bottle, man, that I can take to the field, and I'm super excited for this thing. You know, you guys have probably seen in some of my other videos before that I had gallon gear, which I still do. Okay, and gallon gear works great. All right, don't get me wrong. Matter of fact, let me show you one that I'm talking about. All right. Guys, this is Gallon Gear, okay? I do have an affiliation with them as well. I think the link still works. I haven't used it in a while or promoted it, but these are great for the gym, okay? Hear me out. These are excellent for the gym, okay? But they're not, how can I say, they're not field like for tactical stuff that I do out in the field. They're not very durable, okay? For the gym, bopping around, everything, your compartments and stuff like that. Perfect, great. I got 5 of these, okay? Still use them for the gym, okay? But as I said, with the neoprene sleeve on both, these couple of my favorite ones I use a lot on it too here. The jugs, gallon jugs too, are by Gallon Gear as well. They're more durable than the acrylics, okay? I know I've cracked 3 acrylic jugs, all right? Gallon jugs too. They'll work for regular gallon jugs too as well if you know plastic, but they're trash, all right? We're not advertising these. So let's put these out of the way. Now, let's get back to what I am so glad to see, all right? And they sent me out too, man. Dude, I'm geeked. I'm freaking geeked, man. This is awesome. No company's ever sent me 2 different styles in a product like this, man. This is so badass. Let's crack this thing open and take a look. Let's see what's in this one here on the left. Which one they have? Oh, dude. Oh, perfect. This is the black camo, okay? They have the black camo. I believe they have a tan. They have another one here. I think this is the Betsy too. But this, dude, this is awesome. This is awesome. Let's take a look at this one here and see what this is. Oh, dude. They sent me another field camo. This one here. This is the great, nice. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Dude, look at these. I love the black camo because, you know, guys, my gear is all black. This thing is awesome. Oh, it is so ready. Look at this. It is so ready. Let me break down everything and what both of these things, the bundles here, what they are all about. All right, let's run down the specs here. These are both, as they come to bottles. They're 2-liter stainless steel. They're also dishwasher safe, double wall vacuum insulated. Let's see, rugged removable sleeve, utility pouches, metal clip, paracord carry handles, as you see on both. And what they state here is that never again will your phone, wallet, and keys be flopping around. Will they be flopping around in your pocket or scattered on the ground at the gun or sorry, at the gym during your workouts. No more retracing your workout, going from machine to machine, looking for where you left your phone and hoping someone didn't pick it up. Empty your pockets of these nuisances and carry everything in one location. This is true. Made with high quality double wall stainless steel, military grade fabric. The mil-spec nylon sleeve is rip and tear resistant, easily removable and washable, and comes with MOLLE webbing to attach any accessory. Military style magazine pouch and utility pouch for your wallet, phone, keys, and any of your gear equipment. Man, this is slick. This is slick, but let me mess with this, because like I said, this is the first time I've seen it. Of course, you've got your tag here. You can check out their YouTube channel here. They'll give you the scan code for it. You can go to ironinfidel.com. They have apparel, gear, everything. But as you see, this is a Velcro detachable clip. So I'm sure this is like a belt clip loop, just like that. You guys seen this before. I have a sling here with the same quick clips style. This is your patch here, so you get an Iron Infidel patch as well. Right along with it, same deal. Just drop this back on there real quick. So open this pouch up. It's a nice little deep pouch in there as well. That's a pretty good pouch. It'll hold some stuff. Foldable here. Also Velcro and double clipped. So, cell phone, magazine, mag, okay. Possibly, will it fit a mag down in there? I'm curious. You know what? I'm curious. Let's find out if this thing will fit a 30-round mag in it. All right. First of all, this is a standard 30-round magazine. You guys know this. I know this, obviously. We all know this is a standard 30-round magazine for an AR-15. This is not high capacity. So anytime you hear somebody that's a gun-grabbing loon talking about high capacity magazine, 30 rounds is standard. Other states here, they have all cut it down to an unstandard amount. This is the standard. So let's take a look, see. Drop that bad boy in there. Oh, look at that. Ha! It does. Standard. One line. Wow. So let's take a look here. This is, like I said, this is the first time. Look at this, how it unclips, man. Okay, check this out. All right. What I did, I just pressed this down, okay, and it locks in. So press this, it unfolds. Boom. Take it out, and you can detach it from the other side. So the carry handle, this paracord carry handle, is detachable. And you guys I do believe this, I'm not gonna, don't quote me on this, but I think this paracord does untangle where it can be used if you need it for anything, such as the clips too. Also, I think these are also probably for a MOLLE attachment as well. This is brand new for me. So I'm just throwing this in here real quick if I can get this thing under there. Slide this. That's going to slide under there. Here we go. Yep. Yep. It does. It will clip in there as a MOLLE attachment. Okay, but like I said, it's also removable. So it will hook to any MOLLE attachment that you have, either a vest, belt, or anything that has a MOLLE attachment as well. If you've got the clips for it, I believe, it will work. Okay, now this is elastic. Get the bottle out. Look at the bottle right here. So I'm gonna take this mag out and stand this up. It says double clipped and Velcroed as well. So let's stand this up the sleeve. Iron Infidel. Let's do it here on this one here as well. Pop this out. Yeah, same deal. This is the OCP black camo. Okay. As we see here. Awesome. So let's take a look here. Ah, yes, attached. Unscrews. There we go. It's rubber gripped. Okay, so you can get a good positive grip on it. Does this screw in here? It does. Look at that, it's internal screw. There we go. Clip there. Look at this. Nice stainless steel down in there. Yes, stainless. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, I think I saw it advertised maybe on a website, I believe, or something, but I think they claim being double insulated. I believe it's what I said is dual insulated, I think, or something like that. Yeah, or it's, yep, double wall vacuum insulated. So they claim you can keep things cold up to 16 hours. I am going to have to personally field test this to make sure this is right, but as far as the quality, this thing it is solid. It is solid. It's not extremely heavy, but it's what you would expect for it to be double wall insulated stainless steel. So it is, like I said, it's not lightweight built, but it's not extremely heavy. So for a long day of carrying it with it filled with fluid, I haven't even put anything in it yet or even put it on the scale. So, and I would do it, but I think my electronic scale is about dead. I think I need to get a new one. Same deal, man. This is awesome. So far I can see, this is sweet, sweet. Sit it down in here. Put it back into the sleeve. Just like basically everything else. Work it back in there, it'll slide back in. Put the retention cable back on it, the cord, which is nice. This is a nice little feature too, man, with this being elastic. Also, this is also adjustable too, so you can cinch this to tighten this thing up as well. So really keep it in there. If it kind of moves on you or something like that, you can cinch the bottle down into the sleeve. Real good. So make it a little bit more snug. Same deal. As I said, my attachments here. Paracord. Man, this is so sweet. This is one of the sweetest products, man, that I've reviewed to take a look at. And I swear, I love this, man. I'm thoroughly impressed with this thing. Like I said, the gallon gear is okay. It's good for the gym. But it does have some, it's got a couple flaws. I wouldn't say not buy a gallon gear if you want it just for gym. This works too as well for the gym. Even better, you know? So, like I said, I can't really knock the other one that much. Like I said, it's got a couple flaws, like as far as the jug for the gallon gear. It's good as long as it stays upright, okay? And it's durable. But if you lay it on its side, the one flaw it has is that on the gallon gear, the lid leaks, okay? Because you can only torque it so much, you know, and you can torque it down, but eventually, trust me, it leaks, okay? That's one flaw. Outside of that, it's pretty durable. As I said, as long as it stays upright. This one here, honestly, you're not going to have a problem with this, with it being stainless steel and it's vacuum sealed, and the rubber sealing on the cap, man, is awesome. I mean, this torques. You can torque it down. This thing ain't going down. It ain't going anywhere. Got a carrying handle, a little hang handle actually for it. Check this out, man. You can hang this if you need to. Okay. Yes, of course, the sleeve does open, so it makes it easy access to pop the bottle in and out. Okay. It's like that on this one too as well, same deal. So, Velcro it back up. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, man. I'm not kidding. Guys, this is sweet. This is sweet. Seriously. I'm impressed. I love it. I love it. It's awesome. Check it out, guys. Iron Infidel. Also, use my code Tactical POV. Get 10% off, too, as well. For these. The Iron Infidel Battle Bottles. Yes. It is honestly worth the money. It is worth the money. Without a doubt. This is durable. And that's what I've been looking for myself personally, for something like this that was more durable than my gallon gear. Definitely this. Also, as I said, they're double insulated as well. Okay, gonna keep it colder. The sleeves on the Gallon Gear work pretty good. It keeps it cold for a while. Double insulated stainless steel. You cannot beat this. Guys, check it out, man. Give me a thumbs up. Share this with your friends. Share this review. I know I drug it out a little bit, but it was an unboxing and I went through it with the whole review, seeing exactly what this thing is about. I am absolutely thoroughly impressed. So check it out, fellas. Iron Infidel, man, of Battle Bottles. Worth the money. Use my code Tactical POV. Get yourself one of these for sure. All right. Make sure that, as I always say, you're responsible for your own safety. All right. So get more training. All right. See you on the next one.